Welcome to PXLBLR, where you'll find toys, games, and play. Watch out for the gorilla! On today's episode, we'll be playing with the Super Ultimate Garage from Hot Wheels. Hooray! Awesome, what do we have here? It's a blue race car. Let's try it out. We've got two more race cars up here. Let's race. Whee! They've got a car wash here. I'm gonna give it a try. Let's go for a spin. Onto the slide we go. Whoops, looks like the race car fell. Let's go higher this time. It's the gorilla again. Hello, Mr. Gorilla. Mr. Gorilla doesn't look too happy. He's trying to grab those cars, but he keeps falling down every time he climbs. Look at all our car friends. I'm gonna see if this monster truck can run over these other cars. Let's go. Our Hot Wheels city also includes this Hot Wheels Mega Garage. I'm gonna try racing these two cars down these two slides. Let's see. That was super fast. I'm gonna try it again. Guess who I found? I found the Silver Racer. Let's try him out on this slide. Whee! Take that, giant Spider-Man. Hi-ya! Thanks for joining us today, friends. For more toys, games, and play, join my channel, PXLBLR, PXLBLR. See you again!